Now let's solve the problem. Without using trigonometric tables, evaluate cos square 25 degree plus cos square 65 degree plus cosecant theta into secant 90 degree minus theta minus cot theta into tan 90 degree minus theta. Now this cos square 25 degree, cos square, this 25 degree I can write it as 90 degree minus 65 degree. 90 minus 65 is 25 degree. Therefore, this 25 degree I will write it as 90 degree minus 65 degree plus cos square 65 degree plus cosecant theta into, we know that secant 90 degree minus theta is cosecant theta. That's our formula. Cosecant theta minus cot theta, and tan 90 degree minus theta, it is cot theta. It is also formula. Okay, into cot theta. We know that cos 90 degree minus theta, 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. In the same way, cos square 90 degree minus theta is sin square theta. Right? Here we have cos square 90 degree. In the place of theta we have 65 degree. Therefore, I can write it as sin square 65 degree. Cos square 90 degree minus 65 degree, I will write it as sin square 65 degree plus cos square 65 degree. Close the bracket. Plus cosecant theta into cosecant theta. What it will become? Cosecant square theta minus cot theta into cot theta. It will become cot square theta. We know the formula, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here sin square 65 degree plus cos square 65 degree. It will become 1 because theta it is same. Sin square 65 degree plus cos square 65 degree, it will become 1. Plus, we know the formula 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Right? 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. This plus cot square theta, let me bring this side. Then it will become minus cot square theta. Right? Therefore, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, I can write it as 1. So, let me write this cosecant square theta minus cot square theta as 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 is the answer. Let me rub all this. I will do in detail. You can do as for your convenience. Hope you have understood. Thank you.